Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Wheel Zone, where we bring the past and future of automobiles together in one ride. If you're into legendary cars, futuristic revivals, and pure American muscle, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into one of the boldest returns in automotive history, the all-new 2025 Plymouth. This isn't just a name revived for nostalgia. It's a modern rebirth of an iconic American brand, and what Plymouth has delivered is turning heads everywhere. Let's get into it. When people hear Plymouth, they think of classics like the Road Runner, the Barracuda, and the Fury. But the 2025 Plymouth isn't stuck in the past. It takes everything that made the original brand great and fuses it with modern-day technology, power, and aggressive styling. The 2025 model brings back that muscular stance, low-slung body, and unmistakable retro lines, but with LED lighting, aerodynamic improvements, and a futuristic grille design that signals it means business. Under the hood, this beast comes with options. You've got the base V6 for your daily muscle fix, but the real excitement starts with the high-performance Hemi V8 variant pushing out over 500 horsepower. And for the first time ever in a Plymouth, there's even a hybrid electric variant. Yes, you heard that right. It's clean, it's green, and it still screams down the road with over 600 combined horsepower thanks to its dual electric motors paired with a turbocharged engine. 0 to 60 in under 4 seconds. Plymouth did that. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Plymouth is a shocker, in the best way. Gone are the plastic-heavy interiors of the 90s. In comes Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber trims. The dash is fully digital, offering a 15-inch floating infotainment screen integrated with AI-based voice control, navigation, and performance data. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a customizable ambient lighting system, and even gesture controls for those who want to feel like they're driving the future. And don't get us started on the seats. Whether you pick the performance bucket seats or the luxury touring package, comfort meets grip in a way that keeps you locked in for those sharp corners. There's even massage and memory functions in the higher trims. Yes, this muscle car pampers you. Driving the 2025 Plymouth is a visceral experience. In the V8 trim, it roars like a lion, raw, aggressive, unfiltered. The steering is electronically assisted but finely tuned to deliver tight feedback. The suspension adapts in real time thanks to its magnetic dampers, switching between street comfort and track stiffness instantly. On the highway, it's surprisingly calm and refined. On the track or winding roads, it's sharp and planted, delivering a performance worthy of the Plymouth legacy. For those asking about safety, don't worry. This beast comes loaded with the latest driver assist tech, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, automatic emergency braking, and even night vision in the top-end trim. Plymouth made sure this car doesn't just go fast, it keeps you protected while doing it. Fuel economy. It's what you'd expect from a performance machine. The V8 obviously drinks a bit more, hovering around 18 mpg combined. But the hybrid, that's where it gets interesting. With regenerative braking and EV-only city driving, you can see up to 38 mpg equivalent, depending on how hard you push it. Customization is another strong point. Plymouth lets you choose from classic throwback colors like plum crazy purple and taured, but also modern matte finishes and two-tone options. Add to that a choice of rim designs, brake caliper colors, spoiler styles, and interior stitching patterns, and you're truly building your own piece of muscle car history. In a market that's crowded with SUVs, crossovers, and EVs that all look the same, the 2025 Plymouth roars in like a rebel. It's unapologetic, it's bold, and it brings American muscle roaring into the future. Whether you're a die-hard Mopar fan or just someone who misses the excitement of cars that have attitude, this is one ride worth checking out. Thanks for riding with us today. If you enjoyed this dive into the 2025 Plymouth and want more legendary revivals, modern machines, and raw car culture, make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the like. Turn on those notifications so you never miss a drop. And leave a comment below. What do you think of Plymouth's comeback? Would you take the hybrid or go full muscle? Until next time, keep the engine revving, the road open, and the passion alive. You're watching the channel where horsepower meets history. See you on the next ride.